Some weekends aren't about doing more, they are about coming back to yourself. Namaste, everyone. I'm Girl Behind Camera, and welcome to my channel. Since I don't like to rush things, I start my morning quite slow, even though I have been getting up at 5:30 nowadays. So I take my own time, do my meditation, and then come to the kitchen. Taking time for yourself in the morning isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Since it's a weekend today, I took some time for myself, and I'm just starting with a simple ritual, which is oiling my hair. It's funny how these small rituals, the ones we grew up watching, start to feel like therapy when life gets overwhelming. Every morning, I make sure that I open all the windows just to let some fresh air in. We spend so much time in air conditioning. I feel like the house needs to breathe, and so do I. Nowadays, I find myself sitting by the window with my detox water, soaking in the sun, not scrolling, not thinking too much, just being there. I feel like we don't do this enough. Just sit with ourselves without any distractions. Recently, I had this urge to reset my space. So I started creating a little corner just for me. Nothing fancy, just a quiet place where I can sit, breathe, and slow down. Sometimes peace isn't found, you create it. I always make sure that I recycle everything as much as I can. Since I had these empty wine bottles with me, I thought of adding some money plant in it and keeping it in this space to reset and refresh your home. Even if you don't have anything fancy pieces with you, just add some plants and they immediately elevate that space and add beauty to it. In future, I might add some more pieces into this space, but for now, this looks really cozy and I can't wait to meditate here every morning. Now I'm moving to my next project, which is a coffee corner. This is a new addition in our home which has just arrived last night. I'm not sure how I'm going to style this space, but for now I'm just going to add few plants, rearrange things a little. There is something about fresh spaces. They make you feel like you are starting over, even if nothing really changed. By afternoon, we stepped out and ended up at this beautiful little cafe in Old Dubai. It's one of those hidden places, quite charming and untouched by the chaos. Good food, soft conversations, and that feeling of being present without checking the time. Now, by the time we came back home, it was already evening. And whenever I visit Alsif or Dubai, I end up roaming around at least for 2 3 hours. And I just love to sit there and watch the world go by. It's a whole different vibe. Now, for the dinner today, I'm making spicy chicken and basil. I had this dish in Bali, and that exact moment I knew I have to give it a try at home. For the recipe, I have written all the ingredient on the screen. Let me know in the comments if you try this dish. Whenever I eat outside anywhere and if I like any dish, I always try to make it at home. And when I do it successfully, it just gives me a feeling of an achievement. Now, to pair it with this chicken, I made a jasmine rice and poached egg. And just like that, the day ended. No big plans, no big achievements, but somehow it felt full. I'm learning that not every day needs to be productive. Some days are just meant to feel soft. And honestly, those are the ones I'm starting to love the most. If you have come this far, I hope you liked this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Stay calm and be present.